Hello. Today I decided to share with you the experience of a new YouTuber, that is yours truly, because I started making videos and posting on YouTube on the 23rd of December 2024. I am sharing this journey to share with you what it is that has carried me so far, the experience and the intention is to encourage those who are thinking of getting involved in YouTube and make videos. And this is in particular if you are over 40 or 50 or 60, as myself, because it was unthinkable that one day I would make a video and even post on YouTube. I'm Linda. For those who haven't visited my channel, stay until the end of this video because I can guarantee there is something you are going to take to encourage, to motivate, and I also need that encouragement because as I've indicated, I am fairly new in YouTube. So, what is it that carried me through up to this stage? Obviously, I had done a lot of research. I had observed videos. However, it was something that I dreaded. As far as I was concerned, I couldn't do it. I couldn't even look at myself whenever I was recording using the mobile phone. So there are three areas I would like to share with you. The takeaway. I had to observe my thoughts about the whole journey that I was embarking on. The beliefs, those thoughts, etc. I'm going to come back. Secondly, it became clear that I needed to invest in myself. There was and there is still a lot to learn, but I started. So investing in myself became very, very important. Again, I'm going to come back to that. And then finally, the third point, I decided that whatever happens, I'm taking action. And there was something that was encouraging me. The quiet voice, the nudge, the promptings that were saying, go for it. So let's go back to the first point. When I decided that I need to dispel the beliefs that were constraining me, and I need to consciously observe what other people had experienced, because they had when I decided to watch videos, etc. So the limiting beliefs, I decided that no, as far as I'm concerned, nothing is impossible. Nothing is insurmountable. That every day it's important that I learn and grow and that I embrace beliefs and thoughts that are uplifting. So I became quite conscious of how my mind was playing tricks by churning certain thoughts, the beliefs that I was too old to learn these new tricks, this information technology, producing videos, the thumbnails, your titles, posting, editing. Not that I'm there, but I've started. So I am still learning. And if there is anything that I find discouraging, that I cannot handle, I ask for help. I do research, but I am determined to learn because right now, YouTube is the best communication vehicle for me to reach out. Can you imagine me being part of a global community, yourselves? The community of people who encourage, who share, who educate, and I am also giving back, sharing my experience. The second area of focus was investing in myself. I decided that as I am way above 60, number one, I want to be healthy. I want to be the person who gets up in the morning and celebrate feeling good and celebrate moving my body, doing stretches, and celebrate walking in the golf course to play 18 holes. These were encouraging activities because I realized that I wouldn't be in a position to do much with ill health. I wouldn't be in a position to even continue building the business that I am building with a flourishing coaching and mentorship program. I wanted to offer my best to my students. So health was very important, being particular. I even reversed that habit of diving for coffee in the morning. It's the other way around now. What I do, I enjoy a glass of water. After all, I've been fasting the whole night when I am fast asleep, and I need to get the system going. So hydrating is very important. Yes, I do enjoy coffee, but it is after I have hydrated, because the blood must flow, and I consider that to be very important. Just as I consider waking up and just wanting to make sure that I feel good, very, very important for spiritual upliftment, so that whatever I do feeling really good, inspired, and wanting me to be the best version of myself without pretending, just to be the embodiment of something good, inspiring, energetic, and forward-looking. So it became very important that I invest in myself. I invested in myself by reading. I've been reading many books. I watched videos. I did research. And also, I know that there is talk about monetization, etc. I said to myself, yes, I would like one day to be monetized. However, I am a Linda who is presenting her authentic self in a simple but profound manner. And I do urge you to be encouraged when it comes to authenticity, being yourself and being simple and making sure that your self-image is the self-image you feel good about. And I became very particular about that. This investment of wanting a self-image that is buoyant, a self-image that says life is worth living, a self-image that says I am grateful for who I am. Thirdly, I decided that I was going to take action. I banished doubt. I banished fear. I was going to take action. I responded to the inner promptings, the inner voice. And it became very interesting when that happened. I also became more aware of whatever ideas were coming, and I would snatch them and make follow-ups. I've enjoyed this. I enjoyed inwardly being an embodiment of somebody who is fearless, somebody who doesn't doubt that she is going to make it, because it's not easy to start business. And that is why I am sharing this video, because you and I have embarked on a journey to start business for whatever reasons I've given. And we have elected to use YouTube to grow our business, to communicate, to build a community, to encourage one another. And I am a recipient of that. And I do hope that you are also going to be a recipient of what I am sharing, because I now safely and knowingly, without any shadow of a doubt, that success is guaranteed. Yes, there are going to be challenges. I still face numerous challenges. However, for some unknown reasons, I enjoy these challenges, because when I make a breakthrough, I've even learned to dance on my own, dancing in celebration. I hope that this short video is going to encourage you, and I am inviting you, please don't go away without pressing the like button, and there is that little bell. Please just press that little bell so that I inform you when there is another video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Do share this video, because we are building a community of entrepreneurs, a community that celebrates prosperity. Thank you.